Hey everyone! Welcome back to our series on lesser-known tips for general health care. Some of them are really surprising. Yeah, not what you'd expect.
This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of F.A.S.T shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
Eating squash is a great way to improve your health. Squash is a good source of antioxidants. These substances help to protect your cells from damage and can prevent some chronic diseases. Eating squash can also help you to maintain a healthy weight. This vegetable is low in calories and fat, and it is high in fiber. Fiber helps you to feel full after eating, so you are less likely to overeat. From savory to sweet recipes, there are plenty of ways to enjoy squash. Try adding it into your weekly meal plan and see how much flavor you can add with this simple vegetable. Cooking with friends can have some great benefits for your health. Not only can it be a fun and social activity, but it can also help you to eat healthier food. Cooking with friends can be a great way to bond and build friendships. Spending time together in the kitchen can create lasting memories and bonds between people. Cooking can also be a good way to relax and unwind after a long day. Cooking is a great way to show your friends how much you care. It can be a thoughtful and personal way to show your appreciation for someone. When you cook together, you can also share tips and tricks with each other to make the experience even better. The next time you and your friends are looking for something to do, get together and cook a healthy meal. If you're trying to find a way to sleep better at night, you may want to try listening to the sound of waterfalls. A new study has identified that people who listen to the sound of waterfalls sleep better and have better overall health. The participants were divided into two groups, with one group listening to the sound of waterfalls plus the other group listening to white noise. After 4 weeks, the researchers discovered that those in the waterfall group had significantly better sleep quality and overall health. They also had lower levels of stress and anxiety. Mango is a popular fruit that is celebrated by people all over the world. Did you know that mango can also be good for your health? Mango is a good source of vitamins and minerals, and it can also help boost your immune system. Mango may help lower cholesterol levels and help enhance your digestion. At the same time, mango can help you lose weight.
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try F.A.S.T shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of F.A.S.T shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun, so let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time.